You guys, I'm 50. And every time I look in the mirror, I see this. And this. And now I'm starting to see this. So I decided to go out and get myself this. Jade roller and Gua Sha stone. This is your Gua Sha stone. And you can see it's like green jade, and it has a shorter end here and a longer end here, and this curves ever so slightly. And it kind of looks like a heart made by a drunk person. And this is called a jade roller. It has one big side and one little side. It also comes with an instruction guide that tells you how to use the product. They say to start at the neck, and I especially do it on my double chin.
Why won't you die already?
And then I do 10 times on each side of my face, and especially on my jowls and marionette lines.
Go away and never come back.
Oops. And I just keep going up my entire face. I am beautiful, I am kind, and I don't care what people think.
Oh my god, everybody's looking at my marionette line.
And then I like to follow up with the jade roller. The jade roller is supposed to help firm the skin through gentle massage. And I love using this thing because not only does it feel great on the skin, it helps reduce puffiness, improving elasticity, and it aids in detoxing the lymphatic system. You can keep these in the fridge to help with skin crease lines when you wake up in the morning. I'm going to continue to use the product for a couple weeks, and we'll come back and see the before and afters. Here are the results of using the Gua Sha stone and jade roller after 6 weeks. Do you notice a difference? Leave me a comment and let me know. And as always, thank you so much for watching.